What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'll be talking about the Coinpace acquisition of Coinryze, where they actually talked about compensating Coinryze users that had some balance in their Coinryze. I'm going to be talking about it and I'll give my honest opinion on that, okay? And I'll also be explaining how to convert your CPB to USDT. All right, so once you sign up, you'll be given about 188 CPB if you sign up either on a Friday, a Saturday, or on a Sunday, okay? And there's also a 7 days event currently going on right here on the Coinpace. This is actually called the newbie protection. We'll also check it out before the end of this video. All right, so that's what we'll be talking about in this video. So I would like you to please watch the video to the end so that I can basically get the full basic details on how to do this. And I'll also be making a live withdrawal in this video, okay? And also please take your time to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are coming here for the first time. I basically talk about different ways I make money online by actually trying out different things. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So right now, if you go to the Coinryze website, you're going to find the Coinpace acquisition of Coinryze plan. So this actually explains a user asset settlement for Coinryze users. And then right here, you're going to find a message for Coinryze users explaining why Coinryze stopped working. And if you keep scrolling, you're going to find the settlement plan for Coinryze users saying between February 1st and February 8th, Coinryze and Coinpace will conduct user data verification, financial data reconciliation, and segregation of abnormal account and risk-related data, okay? So during this phase, the distribution or compensation will not be executed, but from March 1st to March 10, 2026, they're going to synchronize Coinryze financial and user data into the Coinpace system and complete account matching and asset mapping, okay? So basically, they said by March 15th, Coinpace will announce the asset settlement and support plan for Coinryze users. Now, to basically get this, if you are a Coinryze user, all you need to do is to sign up on the Coinpace using the same email address you used to sign up on your Coinryze, all right? Now, my honest opinion about the Coinpace settlement program, if you come right here to this important risk warning, we have this which says Coinpace reserves the right based on settlement results to adjust the plan or to postpone the implementation or if necessary, terminate the relevant plan. So with this statement, it is actually not like a guarantee that they are going to be settling everyone or there will be a settlement with that, because for them to make this statement, they are not really sure about it, but they just have a plan for Coinryze users, okay? So my honest opinion is that if you're a Coinryze user before and your funds were actually stocked right there, I won't really advise you to put mind to this particular offer Coinpace is giving, because I feel it's actually a marketing strategy, okay? But not to worry, as for now, the Coinpace is still working well and withdrawals and deposits are still working smoothly. But this asset settlement stuff is what I'm not really sure of, and I cannot give you a guarantee on that, okay? Like I said, I'm also a user like you, and that's just my opinion on that, okay? But even at that, it is worth the try. Just sign up on Coinpace. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section down below. And then if the settlement comes in, then it is a good one for people who were actually affected, all right? So moving on to the next, how do you convert your CPB to USDT? Now, once you sign up on the Coinpace on a weekend, you'll be given about 188 CPP for free for signing up, okay? So let's talk about how to convert that, because a lot of people have asked me, how can I convert my CPP to USDT? Now, when you come right here to the activities section, you click right here on activity, you scroll down, you'll find the CPB asset exchange, okay? So you click right here, all right? So right here, I've accumulated about 676 CPP here. And if you scroll down, you're going to find out that you can only convert starting from 400 CPP, all right? But then whenever you actually make your first deposit and start using the Coinpace, you'll be gaining most of these CPP points, okay? And you also get about 88 CPB for friends you invite. So that's how you can accumulate more of this CPP for yourself, and you can come convert it right here. So I'm going to be converting mine now. I'm going to click on the exchange button. That is this. So I'll be converting only 600 of these, okay? So right now I've converted that, and 600 CPP have been withdrawn from my balance. So if I come back here to my home page, my account, you can see now I have about 13.5 USDT. it was 7.5 USDT previously. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing this in this video now. And another thing people have asked me to talk about on the Coinpace is the earning process. So I've already made about 2 videos on how to actually make money right here. I made live transactions and live trades on it. I'll be dropping those videos in the description section below. Okay, reason because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, and those videos that I'll be dropping in the description on the Coinpace trading process are actually very detailed and very simplified for everyone, so that you can basically understand how this basically works. But then you make money right here by actually playing Web3 games. We have the ETH09 here, and we have the Usdt right here. So I explained the Usdt process a lot, and I also said if you want to enjoy earning from the Usdt, you have to use the calculator, and I also explained how to do that. And you can actually simulate. You'll be given funds to simulate. You can see this will actually help you gain more experience before you move in with your real funds. And you can also find the ETH09 right here. So this particular one is more like the Coinryze interface, giving you the red green right here. And there are also signal groups for that. If you want to get access to the signal group, you click right here on this message icon that is floating here. Okay, so once you click on it, you find the Bit28 signal and the ETH09 signal group. Okay, so you can join any of them and easily use them to make money. Okay, and if you want to use your simulation account, you click on the simulation here. And if you want to use the formal account, you click on the formal here. So the formal here is where you actually get to use your real account. Okay, so you'll find your real funds in the formal section. All right, so moving on to if this actually pays or not, I'm going to be withdrawing now. I'll click on this wallet icon up here. Then right here, I'm going to select the withdraw button right here. Okay, so we have 2 withdrawal methods. You can withdraw this in form of cryptocurrency, and you can withdraw this straight to your bank if your country's currency is actually here. Okay, so I'm using the crypto method here. I'll select the USDT. I'll click on the next step button right here. Then I'll put in the amount I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw everything. After putting that, I'll be charged a fee of 1 USDT. So right here, I'll paste my TRC20 wallet address. Okay, and after that, I'll click on the next step button here and put in my fund password. Then afterwards, I'll click on the confirm button here. And here we go. It says withdrawal is currently under review. So usually withdrawal does not take too long to arrive. But if it actually takes more than 2 hours to arrive, you can always contact the customer care by clicking on this icon. Okay, and here we go. The withdrawal was successful. So I'm just going to open it now. And this is it right here, guys. So deposit on the CoinSpace platform still works. So that's the recent update for now on Coinspace, and I hope you find this very helpful. And if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. Have a nice day. Bye.